How to delete my YouTube search history. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete my YouTube search history. To do this, first, navigate to YouTube on your phone. Now, go to the U tab at the bottom right side. You will find the YouTube history here. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Then select the Manage All History option. You'll be directed to your Google account. After that, tap Delete and select the Delete All Time option to delete all the history. For the confirmation, again tap on the Delete button. After a few seconds, your deletion process will be completed. Finally, hit the Got It button to proceed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.